Have you been searching for the perfect sedan with safety and reliability without breaking the bank? We'll take a look at this 2022 Kia K5 GT Inline in Wolf Gray. With HID headlamps, front fog lamps, 18-inch aluminum wheels, blind spot monitoring, front bucket seating, steering wheel mounted audio controls, 55,000 miles on the odometer, 10.25-inch touchscreen, navigation, remote start, panoramic sunroof, 1.6-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder engine, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at MarinoCJD.com, stock number D7987.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.